Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and please subscribe to our channel. We're constantly bringing you incredible product review videos just like this one from Justincase on today's FA0600 Max Medic Case First Aid Kit. And oh my gosh, does this thing have absolutely everything you could possibly imagine in it. Let me tell you about its contents. This case has 3-inch first aid scissors. It's got 3-inch metal tweezers, abdominal pad, triangular bandage, gauze rolls, adhesive tape, packs of gauze, 2 pairs of vinyl gloves, 2 island dressings, 2 fingertip bandages, 2 knuckle bandages, 2 non-adherent pads, 3 alcohol prep pads, 6 iodine prep pads, 6 BZK towelettes, 6 moist towelettes, 50 adhesive strips, 10 adhesive snips, 8 6-inch cotton tip applicators, 10 rayon balls, 2 6-inch wooden tong depressors, and finally a first aid instruction card. Oh my gosh, what else could you possibly want in this particular container? The first aid kit comes with 3-inch first aid scissors, which are fantastic to be able to get to the scene of an injury without having to roll somebody over to remove their clothing. Extremely important. The inclusion of 3-inch metal tweezers is fantastic. Should you find yourself with splinters or glass shards stuck in your skin, these tweezers are perfect for removing those things. The kit also comes with a triangular bandage, which is extremely practical because it can be fashioned into a variety of things like a sling, like a tourniquet, or like a makeshift adhesive band or even tensor bandage. I think you'll love it. Also included are 2 pairs of vinyl gloves. It's really important that when we're actually working on somebody or working with somebody that we protect ourselves and we protect the injured person as well. The 3 alcohol prep pads that are included in the first aid kit are phenomenal at disinfecting injured areas prior to putting bandages on the wounds. Also included are 50 adhesive strips. You can never have enough bandages and adhesive strips. Trust me, I've got a family of 5 and we are going through them like it's going out of style. And finally, the inclusion of a first aid instruction card may literally save your life. Have you forgotten how to resuscitate somebody? What happens if somebody's choking, has hypothermia or frostbite? The handy first aid instruction card will get you moving in the right direction with a quick glance. All right, it's time to open up this unbelievable first aid kit so I can show you what I truly love about it. Now, the first thing before we actually open it up is the logo spot, front, center, there we go, big, massive billboard. Whoever gives it to me gets the notoriety and the recognition, and that feels good as a consumer because I get to see who cares for me. Hey, I'm giving you a safety kit, must mean they care about me and my family. So let's actually open this up right now, and I want to show you something cool about the construction. What's really neat about this kit here is that it actually has a handle, so we can actually attach this to a door handle or some kind of a hook on a wall so that we can have easy access to all the contents in this first aid kit. And when you build a first aid kit, it's really important that you think about how it's going to be constructed. Are you going to build it with these massive pockets that are opaque? Well, if you do that, you won't be able to see any of the contents. And if it's an emergency situation, we want to be able to see what's in there immediately, which is why Justincase actually used vinyl for all of their pockets so that when this is hung up and when we open it up, we instantly see what's on the inside of those pockets because every single second matters in an emergency. My gosh, for all of those reasons, I absolutely love this first aid kit, and I want to tell you something extremely important. Justincase is a creative company that allows you to customize your first aid kit. If you want to build something in your budget is only $5 or $7, or even if you have one that's $60, Justincase will make a custom case that is designed to your needs and your price point needs as well. They have truly thought of everything, and I believe they are absolutely the leader in the industry when it comes to first aid kits and the variety of the contents in them. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thanks very much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hey, let's keep making beautiful noise together. So long.